Hey, how's it going? And in my previous video about the Deepcool Matrexx 30, I got a handful of comments asking, how do you install a fan up at the front? Considering the amount of comments I got on this, and to help people in the future, I thought I'd make a quick little video on just how to do it. There's a couple mounts up at the front, and I'm going to show you how to mount on each one of those. So, first thing you're going to do is locate the little bag that came in the box that has a bunch of screws in it. There should be 4 long screws that came in this bag, and those are going to be required to install or mount the fan up at the front. Next step, we need to pop up that front panel. Use a little bit of force at the bottom and it should just come right off and should gain you access to the mounting areas for the fans up at the front. Alright, now that we have the front panel off, we can have access to the panel that we can mount the fan to. You can mount the fan up in 2 locations, up at the top and up at the bottom. The top one has mounting locations here, 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 and here. Although I don't like to use this one because it does block a little hole that you can use to route some cables through. But if you do want to use that location, it just uses the traditional little short fan screws, not the long ones that I showed you in the beginning of the video. As for the bottom mounting location, these are going to be located by the raised mounting holes. Those are located here, 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 and here. And those require the long screws that I showed you earlier in the video. So, go grab those screws and the fan, and let's mount this thing up. Route the fan cable first for easy cable management. And yeah, just align the fan up and install the fan as you would. Making sure that all 4 corners are tight and that the fan isn't going to move anywhere. Plug the fan into either your motherboard or whatever you're using to power the fan on with. Close the front panel back, making sure the front panel's not going to fall off. And there you go, your Deepcool Matrexx 30 now has a front fan. Hopefully you found this video helpful, as this is a really nice little budget case. It's a shame that Deepcool really didn't provide a bunch of information as to where to mount some fans at the front or in the rear, though there's only one little spot back there. If you like this little quick tip video, feel free to give it a like. And if you found it useful or helpful in any way, please feel free to subscribe. I'll definitely post some more in the future. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and hopefully you have a nice day. Take care now. Bye.